Hey there, welcome back to my industry. I'm Yaashi from Maisheri, and today I will be introducing you to our new small Motichoor candle making kit. In this kit, you will receive a Motichoor mold which is HBY 819 color orange 5 gram, but this 5 gram is really pigmented, like it can last up to 5 to 10 kgs of candle wax. Soya wick, this is a special soya wick just made for the soya wax. This is 2G wick of 30 pieces, wax of soya chunk and soya flake. They both are 125 gram and we have to do the ratio of 1:1 or 50-50 ratio. In this we have to add 50 amount of soya chunk and 50 amount of soya wax to make the perfect candle. If you use 125 gram of this or this, the candle won't be perfect. Then we have the silver waraq, which also over here you can see it will give this candle such an amazing effect. And yeah, this is the Motichoor mold. After that we have a perfume which is Kashmiri Zafran, which is also saffron or kesar of 10 ml, and also lastly a rod of 1 piece. So make your own Motichoor laddu candle very easily at home for this 2023 festival season. So the price is just for $5.99 and including the shipping all over the India. So now let's open the box. So here is the Motichoor mold, soya chunk and soya flake. Here is the Kashmiri Zafran candle perfume. This is the orange candle color, silver waraq, and lastly the wick and the rod. Now this candle is not with this kit, this is just for demo for showing you all. So now I will show you how to use all these materials to make such amazing and pretty candles for your own purpose or gifting this. So let's go. So now let's open the mold. So here is the mold and the rod. So now we will be oiling the mold. And here we have used the coconut oil, and we also have to oil the rod. And there are two methods. One is you can insert the rod like this, but then you need this to pluck it out. Or the second method is just you can use the wick, but or the another way you can do is put the wick inside the mold like this. But when you are pouring the wax, this could not be very stable, so I prefer this method of the rod. So now we will be inserting the rod into the mold, just like this. And after we inserted the rod, it should not be like this, so just press it down so it will be all straight. Okay, so now here I've used the 17-17 ratio for the wax because sometimes there is extra wastage of the wax. So now let's measure the wax. So here I'm gonna be using 17 grams of soya flakes, okay, and 17 gram of soya chunk. So now let's melt it. So now let's melt the wax. So here I have my color and my fragrance. So I've kept in the lowest temperature, and we have to add the color while it's melting. And this color is really pigmented. This color is really strong, as you all can see. I just added a little bit, but now it's like so dark color of motichoor. And also chop the soya chunks down into small pieces so it can melt easily, or it will take long time to get melt. Otherwise it will overheat the wax, which will be not good. So now here the wax is fully melted. So now we will add our fragrance, and this we are also giving a free dropper. We only need 2 ml in this. Now you can use 1 or 2 ml of perfume, and the perfect stirring is necessary. The fragrance is really nice of Kashmiri Zafran, and you'll also like it. So now just pour the wax into the mold. So now we have to wait 2 to 3 hours to let the candle cool down. Then we will take out the candle, put some wick, and also add some silver waraq to the candle.
Didi, candle is ready.
Oh yes, the candle is ready. Now let's remove the rod. After removing the rod, we have to use this to scrap the extra wax which is on top of the mold. So now let's remove the candle, shall we?
Yes.
You remove it from the down. So here is the candle.
Is the candle ready?
So now we will put the wick in the candle.
I put in the wick.
Okay. Here you go. So put the wick from here. Like this. So the wick is added. So now last step we are going to do is add the silver waraq to make the candle just look like this candle. Okay. Take.
Then we will take the thumb.
Wait. Not this much, not this much. Wait, please, 1 second. Add some. So now let's add the waraq in the candle. So now I'm adding it. And we will use the cotton to press. So now here we will use the cotton to press down the waraq. So here is the final result, and the candle looks so pretty. Bye bye.